I like this product.
बहुत अच्छा है.
No friends, no family, just honest opinion from people. Hi everyone, I am Karishma. Today we are letting people taste our freeze-dried food. Let's see their reaction.
You just make like this shit.
Super taste. 10 out of 10.
I like this product. Maybe good for babies also. So must buy.
Yeah, yaar. It's somewhat creamy and somewhat is not somewhat sweet flavor is there also. There.
I have tasted this and I feel it's good. Can have it for our kids. Healthy snacks, healthy bites.
నైస్ బాగున్నాయి, టేస్ట్ నేచురల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. అన్ సీజన్ లో కూడా ఫ్రూట్స్ మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు పిల్లలు స్నాక్స్ గా. చాలా బాగుంది.
Now you got to know their honest opinion. It's your turn. Please give a try to Tokansy Bite and share your experience with us. And do not forget to follow our page Tokansy Bite for more details. Bye bye.